Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a Chloé Paddington in size small to show you today, and it's in this lovely dark green colour, which I love. Green is one of my favourite colours, and this is a really nice kind of foresty green, and this lovely slouchy leather as well. We've got double top handles, and then we've got kind of feature studs all over the bag, so you can see them on those handles and along the front, and on those corners as well. But then we've got kind of 7 practical base studs there. You can see that they're a little bit more raised to keep that leather off of surfaces. So we've got 7 on that base. And then we have this feature padlock, which I'll just pull that in front. It's really nice and weighted, so you can see when that's pulled in front, it keeps that open and closed. So we've got that feature padlock as well as the little feature key attached on that leather strap to the handles, so that key works with that padlock there. And then opening it up, we've got a double zip pull, so you can see we've got that little space in the front which is usually covered by that padlock, and then we've got double zip pulls. So I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside there we've got one flat pocket just here, and then on the opposite side we've got one zipped pocket as well. So I'll zip that up and talk to you about the condition. So I'll just get those zip pulls closed again. There we go. So the condition of this one we've called good all around. That leather is meant to have, just get that padlock back out so you can see it. There we go. Just like that. So that leather is meant to have that kind of slouchy, relaxed feel to it. So it kind of has a little bit of a worn look to it anyway. But there is just a few areas of wear, so you can see there's just small little marks on that leather, small little creases and little marks like that one there. On the base we've got a couple of indent marks, so just like that one there, and a bit of a scratch just here as well. So there's just small little marks, signs of wear like that one over the bag. You can see a little bit of scratching on that front and on those handles. There's a little bit of wear to those two, but we've called it good because overall that leather actually is in a really nice condition, and it's got that lovely slouchy relaxed feel to it. The hardware again we've called good. You can see on this plaque again there's little small signs of wear on it, small little scratches and things like that, but again it's just meant to have that kind of aged, used look, so it's all actually still in a nice condition. And then the interior again, you can tell that it has been used, but there isn't really many particular marks or anything like that for me to show you on that interior. That interior is actually quite nice and clean, and it's got minimal marking to it, but again you can just tell it has had a pre-loved life. So I'll get that closed back up again. So this Chloé Paddington comes with a few little bits. So we've got the Chloé card sleeve, and inside there we've got that Chloé little care card with all that care information in there, and then we also have the Chloé dust bag. So if you wanted to know the exact measurements for this Chloé Paddington, again it's in the size small, but all the exact measurements are going to be on the website. So if you click the link in the description below, that is the link to shop this bag on armcandybagco.com. So click that link and you'll find a few more details on it. If you click that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if this is the kind of thing that you're looking out for, all you have to do is let us know, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this, we'll get you on our request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, because we'll send you through an email and it'll have the link to shop in it, so you can get in there nice and quickly. So that is our request list. Don't forget to get on there if you've missed out on one of these, and it applies to any requests that you have in mind as well. So just let us know and we'll get you on that list. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website, but I will show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and those double top handles sit on my shoulder just like that, so I've got a really cool kind of noughties vibe just under the arm shoulder bag. and it's again a really nice colour. If I was going for kind of a monochrome look, it goes quite well with my trousers. But if you are looking for a cool bag like this, Chloe, don't forget to go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And you can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags. We'd love to see what we've got for us, so have a look on there, have a read through that process, and like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any gorgeousness like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.